Hi there, students. To fortify, to fortify a verb. I guess you could have fortification as the noun. Fortifying as an adjective. Well, you have a fort, which is a castle, a defensive position. So to fortify means to increase the defenses of something, to make a place stronger, to make it more difficult to attack. So the Romans fortified the area by digging ditches and building walls. The people fortified their town by making large walls round the edge of it. Okay, so to strengthen a place, to make it more secure. But we can use fortify more metaphorically. So to make stronger. Yeah. So I fortified myself with a drink and a meal before continuing. A fortified wine. So, for example, sherry or port are both fortified wines. These are wines that have a spirit added to them to make them stronger. You could have a drink that is fortified with vitamins. A fruit drink fortified with vitamin C, or maybe milk fortified with calcium. So to add strength to something. In the life that we live nowadays, you need to fortify yourself for the difficult things that may happen. So to fortify, to give something more physical strength, to invigorate it. The protesters were fortified by their belief in what they said. His legal case was fortified by the presence of various witnesses. You fortify your argument with facts. You confirm it. You make it stronger. Yeah, so to make something more rigid, to make it to buttress it, to reinforce it, to make it stronger. Let's see. If you fortify food, you add different nutrients and things like that to it. The volunteers were fortified by the belief that they were helping their country. They were strengthened, they were encouraged. They were animated by this belief. So it strengthened them. They were fortified by it. It had been a very long day and there was still a lot more to do, but I took a 10 minutes nap to fortify me so that I could go on, I could continue. To give me more extra physical strength. To fortify somebody mentally, to give the mental strength to carry on through. I was fortified by a hearty meal. Maybe I was fortified by prayers, fortified by early success. Okay, so fortifications, protection. The fortifications. Normally when we use this fortification, it talks about a physical fortification, a physical defense. So to fortify, to strengthen, to supplement, to reinforce, to give extra protection, to make more secure. If you're fortified by food or drink, an idea, it makes you more determined, more cheerful, more energetic, with a stronger will to continue, to make it go on. You could fortify something to make it more powerful, more likely to succeed. Yeah. So yeah, the project was fortified by the fact that it was supported by the local people and by the local church. Okay, so formality to fortify. 5.56 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And let's see, it comes from French fortifier, which itself comes from Latin fortifico, from fortis, strong, and fico, to make. So fortifico, to make strong, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fortify.